How to change X or Twitter username. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your X app, and once you do that, click on the profile icon at the top left, and then click on settings and support drop down at the bottom, and after that click on settings and privacy. You will get to this page right here, in which you want to click on your account and then on account information, and here click on username, and you will get to this page right here where you will be able to add your new username in this field. So go ahead and do that. If it's available, you will get a green check mark next to the username, and after that just click on done at the bottom to save your new username. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your X or Twitter username. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.